Well, there's Dave Motorhead, and it's pelting snow out here at Willow Springs Racetrack. Out at Willow Springs Racetrack, working in the tire shop, and it started to hail or something. We had to shut the door here. We were doing tires. Now we're going to have to put on snow tires. What in tarnation? Look at this shit, Rick. Oh, God. It's killing us, man. Piling up here. There goes some brave soul. Oh shit! Lightning. You see that? You get that, Rick? Oh! I don't know if I got that or not, but that shit was scary. Look at this shit, dude. It's not snow.
It's not hail.
It's hail.
It's snow. It's really soft.
Well, it's sure making a lot of noise for hail or snow. I don't know. That looks like hail to me. Look at these poor guys, their little Porsches. He's got his windshield wipers going. Ouch! That thing just hit me in the hand. That just hurt. Ow! Yep. We don't run rain tires at Willow Springs. We run snow tires now. Waiting to see if we're going to get another one of them big lightning strikes. Be nice to catch that. It's like a pelting snow, Rick. It's not like snow. I mean, I've never heard snow hit the garage door like ping pong balls before. Oh well. This stuff hurts, man. Ow. That's not, look at that. That's not snow, dude. That's hail. Wow. It's just pelting me. I have to stand back a little bit. It's already an inch deep and it's only been 2 minutes. Crazy. Is it doing it in town too?
A little bit, yeah. Oh, this shit's coming down. This is like snow now, dude.
Well, put your hand out there and catch one. It hurts. When have you heard snow hit your garage door like a ping pong ball?
Yeah, but it's like soft. Look, it's like not real hard. Like.
What, are you eating it?
Yeah.
Anyways.
Look at that, dude. It's like really soft.
It's crazy.
It's like crap.
Alright, it's Dave Motorhead. Out at Willow Springs Racetrack, getting pelted in the back with snow. It's March, what is today, 12th? Anyways, just make a little video here. There you go.